Hi everyone, I'm Lynn with Lash and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome and I hope you enjoy this video. So today I'm going to go through with you guys how to use iPad or tape. Now when you guys are using an iPad, what you want to do is you want to ask your client to have them look up. And then you want to place the iPad on one corner and then just keep placing it until you reach the other corner. Okay, so sometimes the lashes are going to get stuck underneath the iPad. So what you want to do is you want to kind of just lift it to check. And if it is stuck, you just want to get your tweezer and take the eyelashes out from the iPad. And what I also like to do is I like to ask my client if the iPad feels okay, because sometimes when they go to close their eyes, it shifts and it'll start irritating their eyes. So when they say that it is touching their eyeball, I just have them keep their eyes closed and I will just adjust the iPad. Now, another technique that you can do, especially if your client eyes twitch a lot, is you want to have their eyes be closed the entire time. And you just want to lift up their upper eyelid and you want to place the iPad or tape on one corner of the eye. And then just work your way again to the other corner, like that. Now, another technique that you can do is, so you can have them open their eyes, so look up, okay? And what you want to do is you want to get the iPad just underneath their bottom lash like that. And then you're going to get your tape. Now, if your tape has a lot of adhesive on it, what you want to do is you want to place it on the back of your hand to take a bit of the adhesive off so that it's easier to remove afterwards. And then you're going to, again, just put the tape on top of the lower lash like that. So just like that. Okay, so if you guys don't like using the iPad and want to use the tape, what you want to do is you want to have them look up, and with the one tape you want to start from one corner first and just place the tape down on one corner, okay? And then you're going to place the second tape on the other corner. Now, depending on what kind of tape you're using, sometimes the tape is too clear and there's not a good contrast between the lashes and the tape. So what you want to do is you want to get your iPad and just place it on top of the tape like this so that it's easier for you to see the lashes. And again, if there's any lash that are stuck underneath the iPad, just lift the eye and bring the lash out. So just like that. Okay, so another technique that you guys can do is when you guys have the bottom lashes glued already. Now, if the lashes are too close either to the tape or the iPad, what you want to do is you want to get your tape and you want to just put that on the base of the lash like that, and just lift the eye up just a little bit. And you want to place it on both corners. Okay, so you want to lift it. That way the lashes aren't touching the iPad. Okay, so another technique that you guys can do is if you are having a difficult time lashing the inner corners, you want to use your tape and just place the tape in the inner corner like so. And again, just lift it diagonally to bring those inner corner lashes out. Alright guys, so this is a few of the taping techniques. If you guys found this video informative and liked it, please leave a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to do another taping technique video for you guys soon.